Sanhi ng pagkamatay ng batikang aktor at singer na si Kokoy Laurel, ibinunyag ng nakababata niyang kapatid na si David Laurel. Matatandaang kinumpirma ng pamilya ni Victor Kokoy Laurel sa pamamagitan ng isang official statement na ipinost sa Facebook page na Celia Diaz Laurel noong June 16, 2025 na pumanaw na ang batikang aktor at singer noong June 14, 2025. Makikita naman sa litratong ipinost sa Facebook page na Celia Diaz Laurel na na-cremate na ang labi ni Kokoy. Ayon sa ulat ng pep.ph, kinumpirma ng nakababatang kapatid ni Kokoy Laurel na si David Laurel na pumanaw ang batikang actor-singer dahil sa cardiac arrest dulot ng multiple organ failure. Ibinahagi ni David na nagsimula raw ang sakit ni Kokoy nang sumakit ang likod nito makaraan ang isang pagtatanghal nito ng musical play na The Miraculous Virgin of Kaysasay noong 2005. Dagdag pa ni David, nang ipasuri iyon sa doktor ay napag-alamang nagkaroon daw ng debilitating spinal injury si Kokoy na naging dahilan para mahirapan itong tumayo at maglakad. Sinabi rin niyang doon na rin umano nagsimula ang mga komplikasyon sa kalusugan ni Kokoy. At dahil sa mapanganib na kondisyon ni Kokoy ay pinayuhan daw ito ng doktor na sumailalim sa surgery. Ngunit ayon kay David, mariin itong tinutulan ni Kokoy dahil sa takot, bunsod ng trauma. Anya, he already had a back problem. But he was not yet doubled over. He could walk normally, no limp. He would sit up straight for some time. He was okay. But as it grew over time, that's when I think the complications came in. He was traumatized by an experience and didn't trust doctors. He was prescribed some painkillers, but over time, they wouldn't help the pain anymore. Sinabi rin ni David na sa kabila ng iniindang karamdaman noon ni Kokoy ay nanatiling masayahin at positibo sa buhay ang kapatid niya. Dagdag pa niya, ibinuhos daw ni Kokoy ang nalalabing oras nito sa paglilingkod sa simbahan, pagpipinta at pagtuturo ng kanta. Sa video na ipinost sa YouTube channel na Showbiz Tita, inalala ni David kung paano naging mabuting anak si Kokoy sa mga magulang nila. Sina Kokoy at David ay dalawa sa 8 anak ni former Vice President Salvador Doy Laurel at ng theater actress na si Celia Diaz Laurel. Ibinunyag ni David sa naturang panayam na malaking bahagi umano si Kokoy sa political campaign ng kanilang ama noon. Dahil sa pagmamahal ni Kokoy sa musika ay naibabahagi umano niya ito sa iba sa tuwing nakakasampa siya sa entablado at nakakahawak siya ng mikropono.
Secret weapon ni Doy Laurel, si Kokoy Laurel. He was the one who blazed the trail, campaign trail, the political campaign trail of Doy Laurel from 1965 onwards. Lahat ng kampanya, Kokoy was there, breaking the ice. He was there singing, bringing his guitar in the hinterlands, and
that's little.
Morning to evening, he would be there on the campaign trail. And that just showed us how dedicated he was to help my father in his service to the country.
Pinatunayan din ng isa pang nakababatang kapatid ni Kokoy na si Iwi Laurel kung gaano kabuting kapatid at anak ang namayapang batikang actor-singer. Ayon kay Iwi, hindi umano ito kailanman nagdamot na ibahagi sa iba ang talento nito.
Kokoy is very, very generous with with his gifts in general, his talent, his time, and he loved to teach us whatever he learned, dance, voice, everything, painting. So, as early as probably mga 7 years old, he started teaching me how to sing. Yeah, he was our mentor, right?
Yes.
My first voice teacher and coach and everything and acting. He was just very generous with himself, his time. Very loving, very gentle.